Formation Day. The school has entered into its 8th succeeding academic year, duly bestowed with the blessings of Patron Saint Mark in the academic year 2017. The school has made all necessary arrangements in order to honor the state's pride on its conception. Hence, Telangana Formation Day was observed on 2nd of June.
Teachers Enrichment Program. Teachers are one of the main source of social reformation and societal upliftment. To enrich their skills, brush up their talents, and refresh them with era's necessities, they held an activity titled Teachers Enrichment Program in the month of June.
Loka Samastha Sukhino Bhavantu, meaning may all beings in the world be happy. In view to promote universal well-being, peace and harmony with an expression of compassion and kindness towards all living beings, International Yoga Day on 21st June observed in the school with practices of all asanas. The entire community was rejuvenated with power and energy.
Bonalu was celebrated on 30th July. Bonalu celebration had been a major attraction on 30th July as the Telugu tradition come alive on the campus that brought to the minds the nostalgic experience of the centuries.
Pictorial board installation. Our children are the promises of the morals as well as the leaders and administrators. They ought to experience the features of nation's democratic character and federal features. Hence, school cabinet installation, which is otherwise known as prefectorial board installation, was conducted on 28th of July.
Invest Teacher Ceremony. On 8th August, Invest Teacher Ceremony was held. The school cabinets were vested with their duties and responsibilities in the four houses: Aryabhatta, Visheshwaraya, Raman, Kalam, and two ancillary wings, Eco-Friendly Club and Sports Club. Monsignor Y. Balashaw Reddy, Vicar General and Vice Chairman of Hyderabad Archaeological Educational Society, officiated the Invest Teacher Ceremony.
Fancy dress competition. A school is not only a temple of learning, it is an institution which enhances social skills, boosts creativity, develops confidence and fosters imagination, for which 14th August was dedicated for fancy dress competition.
Independence Day celebration. Independence Day was celebrated in the school on 15th August, when the entire nation was saluting the nation and paid tributes in the commemoration of our forefathers and our national leaders, students, staff and our esteemed parents of St. Mark's Jubilee School, Tandoor too partook in the glorious event.
Telugu Dinotsavam was celebrated on 29th August. Desha Bhashalandu Telugu Lessa. This is the maxim that reverberates in the hearts of Telugus. In the promotion of Telugu language and its culture, Telugu Dinotsavam was held on 29th August.
Batukamma. Batukamma is a traditional Telangana festival celebrated by women primarily to worship Goddess Gauri, a manifestation of Goddess Gauri who is devoted as a symbol of womanhood, fertility and prosperity. Hence, Batukamma was celebrated on 14th of October.
Eco-Friendly Day on 6th September. The entire universe has been in the period of transition and transformation from hazardous synthetic plastics to bio-friendly commodities. In addition to the other houses, one more house has been clubbed with the rest, titled Eco-Friendly House on 6th September. This house has been actively involved in spreading the awareness on environmental protection by greening the campus.
Teachers' Day celebration. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a philosopher and statesman who served as the second president of the India. A teacher is a friend, a philosopher and a guide. Teachers' Day was celebrated on September 5th and made the day glorious as the shloka in the Indian context goes, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara.
14th September was dedicated to observe as Priti Divas. Priti Divas was observed by conducting electrocution, essay writing and quiz in Hindi language and literature. CBSE inspection. 1st October 2024 has always been a very special day as St. Mark's Jubilee School prepared all the necessary arrangements for the inspection by Central Board of Secondary Education, New Delhi. The team for inspection was debuted by the board was highly pleased with meticulous plans and school's academic administration and other relevant areas.
Hyderabad Archdiocese Educational Society Sports Week was held from 20th November onwards. St. Mark Jubilee School, Tandur was emerged with runner-up status. Our students performed their best in all the activities, and the school was the second top position in all Hayes Institute.
Celebrated on 24th December. The Savior is born on 25th December as the day and has been very vivid and meaningful. And is celebrated on Christmas. The school made the day a meaningful one with brotherhood, peace, and love.